chapter 37, verse 1.
And Jacob dwelt in the land wherein his father was a stranger, in the land of Canaan.
Chapitre 37. Or, Jacob demeura au pays où son père avait séjourné, au pays de Canaan.
These are the generations of Jacob. Joseph, being 17 years old, was feeding the flock with his brothers, and the lad was with the sons of Bilhah, and with the sons of Zilpah, his father, wives, and Joseph brought to his father their evil report.
Voici l'histoire des descendants de Jacob. Joseph, âgé de 17 ans, paissait les troupeaux avec ses frères. Il était jeune berger auprès des fils de Bilha, et auprès des fils de Zilp, femme de son père. Et Joseph rapporta à leur père leurs mauvais discours.
Now Israel loved Joseph more than all his children, because he was the son of his old age, and he made him a coat of many colors.
Or, Israël aimait Joseph plus que tous ses autres fils, car c'était le fils de sa vieillesse, et il lui fit une robe de diverses couleurs.
And when his brothers saw that their father loved him more than all his brothers, they hated him, and could not speak peaceably to him.
Mais ses frères, voyant que leur père l'aimait plus que tous ses frères, le haïssaient, et ne pouvaient lui parler sans aigreur.
And Joseph dreamed a dream, and he told it his brothers, and they hated him yet the more.
Et Joseph eut un songe, et le fit connaître à ses frères, et il l'eut encore plus.
And he said to them, Hear, I pray you, this dream which I have dreamed.
Il leur dit donc, Écoutez, je vous prie, ce songe que j'ai eu.
For, behold, we were binding sheaves in the field, and, see, my sheaf arose, and also stood upright, and, behold, your sheaves stood round about, and made obeisance to my sheaf.
Voici, nous étions à lier des gerbes au milieu des champs, et voici, ma gerbe se leva et se tint debout, et voici, vos gerbes l'environnèrent et se prosternèrent devant ma gerbe.
And his brothers said to him, Shall you indeed reign over us? Or shall you indeed have dominion over us? And they hated him yet the more for his dreams, and for his words.
Alors ses frères lui dirent, Régnerais-tu donc sur nous, ou nous gouvernerais-tu? Et il l'eut encore plus pour ses songes et pour ses paroles.
And he dreamed yet another dream, and told it his brothers, and said, Behold, I have dreamed a dream more, and, behold, the sun and the moon and the 11 stars made obeisance to me.
Il eut encore un autre songe et le raconta à ses frères, et il dit, Voici, j'ai eu encore un songe, et voici, le soleil, et la lune, et 11 étoiles se prosternaient devant moi.
And he told it to his father, and to his brothers, and his father rebuked him, and said to him, What is this dream that you have dreamed? Shall I and your mother and your brothers indeed come to bow down ourselves to you to the earth?
Et il le raconta à son père, et à ses frères, mais son père le reprit, et lui dit, Que veut dire ce songe que tu as eu? Faudra-t-il que nous venions, moi et ta mère et tes frères, nous prosterner en terre devant toi?
And his brothers envied him, but his father observed the saying.
Et ses frères furent jaloux de lui, mais son père retint ces choses.
And his brothers went to feed their father flock in Shem.
Or, ses frères allèrent paître les troupeaux de leur père à Sichem.
And Israel said to Joseph, Do not your brothers feed the flock in Shem? Come, and I will send you to them. And he said to him, Here am I.
Et Israël dit à Joseph, Tes frères ne paissent-ils pas les troupeaux à Sichem? Viens, que je t'envoie vers eux. Et il lui répondit, Me voici.
And he said to him, Go, I pray you, see whether it be well with your brothers, and well with the flocks, and bring me word again. So he sent him out of the vale of Hebron, and he came to Shem.
Et il lui dit, Va donc, vois comment vont tes frères et comment vont les troupeaux, et rapporte-m'en des nouvelles. Il l'envoya ainsi de la vallée d'Hébron, et il vint à Sichem.
And a certain man found him, and, behold, he was wandering in the field, And the man asked him, saying, What seek you?
Et un homme le trouva errant par les champs, et cet homme l'interrogea, et lui dit, Que cherches-tu?
And he said, I seek my brothers. Tell me, I pray you, where they feed their flocks.
Et il répondit, Je cherche mes frères, enseigne-moi, je te prie, où ils paissent.
And the man said, They are departed hence, for I heard them say, Let us go to Dothan. And Joseph went after his brothers, and found them in Dothan.
Et l'homme dit, Ils sont partis d'ici, car je les ai entendus dire, Allons à Dothaï. Joseph alla donc après ses frères, et il les trouva à Dothaï.
And when they saw him afar off, even before he came near to them, they conspired against him to slay him.
Et ils le virent de loin, et avant qu'il fût près d'eux, ils complotèrent contre lui de le mettre à mort.
And they said one to another, Behold, this dreamer comes.
Et ils se dirent l'un à l'autre, Voici ce songeur qui vient.
Come now therefore, and let us slay him, and cast him into some pit, and we will say, Some evil beast has devoured him, and we shall see what will become of his dreams.
Maintenant donc, venez, tuons-le, et le jetons dans quelque fosse, et nous dirons qu'une bête féroce l'a dévoré, et nous verrons ce que deviendront ses songes.
And Reuben heard it, and he delivered him out of their hands, and said, Let us not kill him.
Mais Ruben entendit cela, et le délivra de leurs mains, et dit, Ne lui ôtons point la vie.
And Reuben said to them, Shed no blood, but cast him into this pit that is in the wilderness, and lay no hand on him, that he might rid him out of their hands, to deliver him to his father again.
Puis Ruben leur dit, Ne répandez point le sang, jetez-le dans cette fosse, qui est au désert, et ne mettez point la main sur lui. C'était pour le délivrer de leurs mains, pour le rendre à son père.
And it came to pass, when Joseph was come to his brothers, that they stripped Joseph out of his coat of many colours that was on him.
Et dès que Joseph fut arrivé auprès de ses frères, ils le dépouillèrent de sa robe, de la robe de diverses couleurs qui était sur lui.
And they took him, and cast him into a pit, and the pit was empty, there was no water in it.
Et ils le saisirent, et le jetèrent dans la fosse. Or la fosse était vide, il n'y avait point d'eau.
And they sat down to eat bread, and they lifted up their eyes and looked, and, behold, a company of Ishmaelites came from Gilead with their camels bearing spices and balm and myrrh, going to carry it down to Egypt.
Ensuite ils s'assirent pour manger le pain. Et, levant les yeux, ils regardèrent, et voici une caravane d'Ismaélites qui venait de Galade, et leurs chameaux, chargés d'aromates, de baume et de myrrhe, allaient les porter en Égypte.
And Judah said to his brothers, What profit is it if we slay our brother, and conceal his blood?
Et Judas dit à ses frères, À quoi nous servira de tuer notre frère et de cacher son sang?
Come, and let us sell him to the Ishmaelites, and let not our hand be on him, for he is our brother and our flesh. And his brothers were content.
Venez, et vendons-le aux Ismaélites, et que notre main ne soit point sur lui, car il est notre frère, notre chair. Et ses frères lui obéirent.
Then there passed by Midianites merchants, and they drew and lifted up Joseph out of the pit, and sold Joseph to the Ishmaelites for 20 pieces of silver, and they brought Joseph into Egypt.
Et comme les marchands madianites passaient, ils tirèrent et firent remonter Joseph de la fosse. Et ils vendirent Joseph pour 20 pièces d'argent aux Ismaélites, qui l'emmenèrent en Égypte.
And Reuben returned to the pit, and, behold, Joseph was not in the pit, and he rent his clothes.
Et Ruben retourna à la fosse, et voici, Joseph n'était plus dans la fosse. Alors il déchira ses vêtements,
and he returned to his brothers, and said, The child is not, and I, where shall I go?
Et il retourna vers ses frères, et dit, L'enfant n'y est plus, et moi, où irai-je?
And they took Joseph's coat, and killed the kid of the goats, and dipped the coat in the blood.
Et ils prirent la robe de Joseph, tuèrent un bouc, et trempèrent la robe dans le sang.
And they sent the coat of many colors, and they brought it to their father, and said, This have we found. Know now whether it be your son, coat or no.
Ensuite ils envoyèrent et firent parvenir à leur père la robe de diverses couleurs, en lui faisant dire, Nous avons trouvé ceci, reconnais si c'est la robe de ton fils, ou non.
And he knew it, and said, It is my son, coat. An evil beast has devoured him. Joseph is without doubt rent in pieces.
Et il la reconnut, et dit, C'est la robe de mon fils. Une bête féroce l'a dévoré. Certainement, Joseph a été mis en pièces.
And Jacob rent his clothes, and put sackcloth on his loins, and mourned for his son many days.
Et Jacob déchira ses vêtements, et mit un sac sur ses reins, et mena deuil sur son fils pendant longtemps.
And all his sons and all his daughters rose up to comfort him, but he refused to be comforted. And he said, For I will go down into the grave to my son mourning. Thus his father wept for him.
Et tous ses fils, et toutes ses filles vinrent pour le consoler, mais il refusa d'être consolé, et il dit, Je descendrai en deuil vers mon fils au sépulcre. C'est ainsi que son père le pleura.
And the Midianites sold him into Egypt to Potiphar, an officer of Pharaoh, and captain of the guard.
Et les Madianites le vendirent en Égypte à Potiphar, officier de Pharaon, chef des gardes.